In this Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to blur out a portion of your image. For this example, we're going to blur out the computer monitors, which would look something like this. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the layer for the entire image is selected. Go ahead and duplicate it by pressing Command and J. Now, make sure that layer copy is selected. Head on up to Filter, click Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Now for this, you can blur it as much or as little as you want. I'm going to do 25. Now, you want to unselect that layer that we just made a copy of to get rid of the blur for a second. Head on up to the polygon lasso tool, click on it. Now what you want to do is you're going to make a complete outline around the entire monitor of where you want to blur. Now with it selected, we can go ahead, uncheck it so we can see the blur, and then go down here to this little button right here and click Layer Mask right there, and it automatically blurs it. But now you see how it's a little messed up right here on the corners? That's an easy fix. So what you want to do is head on over to your brush tool and choose the size that you want, and basically just brush out the sides like so. And we can do it over here, just like that. And there we go.